BA First Semester Revised NEP Syllabus of DSc English. Course title is Introduction to Language, Linguistics, Literature and Culture. This paper carries a total of 100 marks, out of which 20 marks are internal marks. While the end of semester examination will have a question paper of 80 marks. There are a total of 5 units in this syllabus. Let's look at them one by one. Unit first is Introduction to the Study of Language. In this unit, what is language? Meaning, definitions and significance. Characteristics of language. Origin and development of human languages. And language and culture. All these topics should be studied in this unit. Unit second, Introduction to Linguistics. In this unit, meaning, definitions, scope, levels and branches of linguistics. Phonetics and phonology, speech mechanism, vowels and consonants. Transcription of words and word stress, phoneme, allophones. In morphology, morpheme, allomorphs, free morphemes and bound morphemes, affixes and word building. In syntax, types of sentences, IC analysis, clauses, phrases. And in semantics, types of meaning, hyponymy, synonymy, antonym, entailment. All these topics should be studied in this unit. Unit third, Introduction to Literature. In this unit, what is literature? Why study literature? Literature and life, literature and society. Literary forms, poetry, prose and drama. In poetry, lyric, sonnet, ballad, epic, elegy, mock epic. In prose, novel, novella, short story, essay, biography, autobiography. In drama, comedy, tragedy, tragicomedy, one-act play. And literary terms, couplet, allegory, alliteration, assonance, refrain, aside, monologue, soliloquy, metafiction, plot, character, setting, narrative technique, farce, simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, satire, prologue, epilogue. Art for art's sake, expressionism, meter and metrical devices, classicism, romanticism, realism, naturalism, canon. All these topics should be studied in this unit. Unit 4th, Introduction to Study of Culture. In this unit, meaning of culture, the idea of culture, culture and the media. Towards a definition of culture, in India and World Culture, New Delhi, Sahitya Akademi, 1986. Media Culture and Cultural Studies, Pramod Nair. Key concepts, ideology, identity, subaltern, modernity, representation. All these topics should be studied in this unit. Unit 5th, in this unit. 1. A Different History, poem, Sajata Bhatt. 2. 1-2, poem, Langston Hughes. 3. Shooting an Elephant, George Orwell. 4. The Silent Rattle, Basu Bevanagidad. 5. Spoken English and Broken English, G.B. Shaw. All these topics should be studied in this unit. These are the 7 books recommended for this syllabus. Now, when we look at the internal marks, each test is 5 marks. 2 tests are 10 marks. And the assignment is 10 marks. For a total of 20 internal marks. See your next class. Thank you.